So students, here I am trying to do a question which is going to print all odd numbers from 45 to 5, from 44 to 5, sorry, and not including 35. It's not including 35. So let's start. So the parallelogram I took to write the numbers, that is n equal to what? 44, n equal to 44. Fine, done. Then we have to check whether the number is odd or not. So let's check. Let's take a decision box, and here you will write is n mod 2 equal to 1. If the remainder is 1, then it is what? Odd number. So we wrote it like this. The flowchart will be little lengthy, that's why I'm taking care so that it can be visible within the screen. Fine. So we are checking here whether it is odd number or not. If it is odd number, then what to do? We have to print it, or sorry, not need to print, because we have to accept 35 also. So for accepting 35, we have to take one more decision box. So here we can write is n equal to 35. Is n is 35? Here we need to check. If it is 35, then we have to skip it. We should not print it, we have to skip it. We should not entertain it, we should skip it. So here let's draw the arrows till yet, whatever we made, so that the confusion will get clear. So this will be simple arrows, fine. But in this case, the arrow what I am drawing here to here will be which color, students? Will be which color? This has to be black color. Previously the green was set, that's why green is coming, so black color. This also can be black color. Okay, in this case what color will become? Is it odd number? It is asking, na, is it odd number? Yes is green. Then it will check whether it is equal to 35 or not. Fine. So if it is 35, then what to do? We have to skip it. If it is not 35, then we have to print it. So for print statement, we have taken here what? Display n, that we have taken as parallelogram box. And if we are keeping the decision box, sorry, the parallelogram box here, it means the arrow what I am going to draw from here to here will be in which color? Will be yes or no? 35 to be included or not to included? 35 should not get included. 35 should not get included. So it means if it is it 35? No. So no means it should print it. No means it should print it. So you have to make it in red. Here. Thereafter, after this, what we need to do? We have to continue the loop. For continuation of the loop, we have to do the processing. So in processing, what we need to write? Now n equal to n minus 1, because n is running here from 45 to 5, that is in decrement order. So we have to go downward, we have to go reverse. So after this, we put the decision box, that is the final decision box, where we can check whether the n reach till 5 or not. So here we can write is n is greater than equal to 5. It means is it 5 or greater than 5? Then what we have to do? We have to continue the loop. If it is more than 5 or equal to 5, we have to continue the loop. For continuation of the loop, we have to keep here for continuation of the loop. Okay, let me draw, let me finalize, then I am going to explain you. Not coming. Yeah, bring this side, bring it. What is happening? Let's make it like this. Okay. Okay, students. So now, if it is more than n is more than 5, more than or equal to 5, if it is yes, then it will continue the loop. Otherwise, what it will do? It will stop the program. So let's draw a stop here. I have drawn a stop here. So I have to connect to stop. In which case, if it is no, not more than or equal to 5, It means the job is not left anymore. The job is over, it means. Okay. So in between also some arrows I forget to do. So let's draw them. When you are doing in copy, you have to do instantly the arrow and all you need to draw, because here as easy it can be regarding drawing and all. I'm just doing accordingly. Fine, students. Now still the job is not over, because as we know, every decision box will have two output. Here we made one output for this is decision box, other one we didn't do. So if it is a odd number, it is processing this side. If it is a even number, then what to do? So we have to draw the line. If it is a even number, we need not to print, we can come to here directly. So from here we can bring the arrow till this printer. Okay, so check, we have to bring to here, not here. Yes, so get drawn incorrectly. So let me draw it again till this. Okay, so now, yeah, now it is okay. Then which color we need to make? Red, because green already we have drawn. So understood this line. If it is no, not a odd number, then we need to skip simply. So we come here so that it can be -1 and it can continue again with the other numbers. Now for this one also one is drawn, other one is not drawn. So if it is equal to 35, no, then coming here. If it is yes, then where it will go? If it is 35, still it will be skipped, because in our question 35 we don't require, 35 we don't require. So we have to skip it. So for skipping the 35, we have to join to here again. Okay, we have to join to there. So see, so that will be green. Okay, this is your entire flowchart is over. Now it is time to explain. So see, we started with 45, so we did here 45. Okay, thereafter immediately we check whether it is odd number or not. If it is a odd number, yes, then green sign, it is coming here. Immediately to check whether it is 35 or not. If it is 35, then we have to skip, we have to go to the next number, means 35. If it is 35, then it will become 34 here. And if it is not odd number, then it will skip as well. Fine. And if it is not 35, then it is printing. It means it has to be even number, sorry, it has to be odd number, as well as it has to not be 35. Then the print statement will reach, or it will reach to the print statement to print. After printing also it is decreasing the value, and if it is not printing, still it is decreasing the value, because we have to continue our loop, na? So that's why it is done like this. After that, there is one more decision box is given for continuing the loop, which is started from 45 and continuing till 5. So we did here, is it more than 5? Yes, then it is continuing the loop from the beginning. If it is no, the job is over, so we have to stop the flowchart. Hope all of you understood. In this question, we printed reverse, we printed odd numbers, and we didn't include a number as well. So a lot of things combinedly I like kept in this flowchart. So please take care and listen again and again, so that you can understand the concept of this.